everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I try to do the BGMI gameplay test in the iQOO 3 device after the latest official update. Let's see friends whether the phone will be able to support the press sensitive buttons or phone will be able to support any kind of 4D vibrations or not. That is what I'm going to check in this entire video. So this is exactly a model I'm trying to use, which is iQOO 3 device, as you can see here, which has got the Snapdragon 865 processor. So let's see, right now I'm trying to update the game, so which has been official version has released. And in case if you want to know more details about the battery draining and a comparison with other smartphones, so don't worry, I got you covered. There's a playlist which I have created for the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay in India. As you can see, separate playlist I have created. Here you can find all the battery draining comparison videos with other smartphones as well, as you can see here. So try to check the playlist and that will give you the clear idea. So right now let's download the game and let's see. So two things I'm going to check. So I think three things, sorry. So press sensitive buttons and 4D vibrations and voice changes. Is there any those kind of options which is available in the iQOO 3 or not? The game is installing right now. Let's see friends, what are the things will be available in this phone. That is what I'm going to check. So I think the game is not starting with the ultra game mode, so I need to add the ultra game mode as well. I'll try to add once the download has been finished. Anyway, I need to restart the game. So let me to click OK. So now added into the ultra game mode successfully this game, Battlegrounds mobile game, as you can see friends. Now we'll be able to enjoy this kind of freedom. So now let's check. So few things, as I said, press sensitive buttons, voice changes and 4D vibrations. These three things I'll be concentrating. The press sensitive buttons, you can use that, and there is no 4D vibrations and there is no voice changes, unfortunately. As you can clearly see friends, so same problem with the even with the iQOO 7 mobile phone as well. Same thing is happening even with iQOO. So that's completely I'm not sure why they decided to do like this. So maybe we need to wait for the official update from the PUBG or maybe the iQOO. So someone should be able to figure out this kind of issue, what is going on right now. So because these phones are really capable of having the very good haptic feedback and voice changes as well. So this iQOO, they should implement this kind of update as well very soon. So for the BGMI gameplay, at least for the Indian official game, it's not for the PUBG, for at least for the Indian official game. That is what a lot of users are actually requesting for. As you can see right now, the press sensitive buttons are perfectly working fine without any kind of features. As you can see friends, no issues till now using this gameplay. As you can see, press sensitive buttons, nothing at all. So this is the latest official game which I'm trying to play right now, which is the BGMI, which I downloaded just today, which I updated. So overall everything is same friends, same with the beginning as well. Just thought of showing you the voice changes and 4D haptic feedback vibrations is available or not. That's what my main motive of doing this video is. And press sensitive buttons are working perfectly fine without any kind of issues. As you can see friends, no problem with the press sensitive buttons, working perfectly fine. So thank you for watching this video friends. I'll try to compare with other smartphones. Meanwhile, in case if you are interested, make sure to check the playlist for more details. That will give you the clear idea what is happening with what phone. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.